Want to save time and build stronger relationships with your audience? With ActiveCampaign, creating automations is simple and helps you deliver the right message to your future customers at just the right time. To get started, from your main dashboard, go into the left-hand side menu, click into Automations, then click into Create a new automation, and you can select to start an automation from scratch or select a pre-built recipe that focuses on your most important goals. Our pre-built recipes make it easier to launch fast. Whether you're sending a welcome series, a follow-up email post-purchase, or just re-engaging prospective customers. Most automations start with a trigger, like someone subscribed to a list, submitted a form, or visited a specific landing page. With ActiveCampaign, we have dozens of different triggers that you can choose from according to your goals. From there, you can build their entire journey with our builder. You can add emails, SMS, wait steps, and conditions to guide each person based on their behavior and interest. And with the AI built right in, you don't need to start from a blank page. Just describe what you need and the assistant will generate email content that you can easily adjust to your audience. Whether your workflow is simple or sophisticated, the experience is visual and intuitive, giving you complete control on how you will engage with your future customers. Once you're ready, activate your automation with one click. It runs in the background, keeping your business moving, while you focus on what's next. You also get real-time insights, so you can see how people are moving through their journey, and you can make improvements as you grow. With ActiveCampaign, automation means smarter marketing that scales with you and feels personal to every customer. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.